So I installed a mod that made Minecraft extremely loud. That's it. Why am I doing this to myself? Even. I'm not gonna get used to this. Okay, we're gonna get used to this. This is just a normal Bedwars commentary. This is completely normal. I am having a great time. Who else is having a great time? I'm having a great time. You're having a great time. Why wouldn't you be having a great time? Okay, I'm going to mid. It's fine. This is fine. I'm having a fun time. I'm really oh, fuck. Please. Please. He's chasing me. He's chasing me. What was that explosion? Okay. I am having a fun time. I'm having a fun time. And now we have completely ruined this man's day by getting obsidian. He's gonna come over to my bed and be like, "Oh my god, it's a free bed." And then what's gonna happen is he's gonna realize it's obsidian, and then he's gonna fucking cry and die inside. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna murder him. I'm gonna murder his ass. This is painful. Hey, sir. This is awesome. My favorite. Okay, I'm coming after you. You know what, Red? You know what, Red? Please run. Please keep running. Wait, he doesn't have a bed! Oh, get back here. Get back here. Who set off my trap? Who set off my trap? Who was it? Who was it? I don't know what I can do here. This red guy can just do whatever he wants to my bed. And all I can do is counterplay. You know what? We're gonna put an extra layer. You know what they say, an extra layer keeps the doctor away. Extra layers, people. Extra layers. Who doesn't love some good bridging? It's nice and calm. I'm hunting you down, Mr. Red. I'm gonna eat your ass, and then you're gonna be dead. Come here, Mr. Red. You are gonna be very dead. I'm gonna eat your ass, and it's... Let's go! Woo!